Hello, my beauties. Thank you so much for tuning in for another tiny testimony. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Maggie, and I do all types of self-care videos. So if that's something you may be interested in, please stick around by hitting that subscribe button so that you never miss another self-care video from me. So I'm really starting to love these tiny testimonies. Not only does it help me to regather myself for the rest of the day, I'm really starting to enjoy sharing these kind of like testimonies and revelations with you guys because I too am still on a spiritual journey. I'm no, sought out saint or anything, but I'm really focusing on getting closer to God and really fixing things internally or within. Okay, so don't mind me while I'm whispering. It is very early in the morning actually, so I am gonna be switching it up, so you'll start to see me really throughout the day. So hopefully that's okay with you guys, but I just want to jump right into today's message and today's book. Today's devotional is going to be out of this beauty right here. I totally forgot that I had this devotional, and I also forgot how much that I love this devotional. So let's just see what it says for today. Okay, today's chapter is called Seek My Face. And it says, "Seek my face, and you will find not only my presence, but also my peace. To receive my peace, you must change your grasping, controlling stance to one of openness and trust. The only thing you can grasp without damaging your soul is my hand." I love that. "Ask my spirit within you to order your day and control your thoughts, for the mind controlled by the spirit is life and peace." Did y'all hear that? "You can have as much of me and my presence as you want. Through thousands of correct choices each day, the most persistent choice you face is whether to trust me or to worry. You will never run out of things to worry about, but you can choose to trust me no matter what. I am an ever-present help in trouble. Trust me, though the earth gave way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea." And all of those great descriptions are from Romans 8:6 and also Psalms 46:1 and 2. So seek my face. When we turn to God, when we look for his grace, when we search for his love, not only will we find his presence, but his peace. And I love that because I can say that I've had a crazy week this week. Good. I mean, it has its ups and downs. Definitely a lot more blessings than curses or whatever. But I can honestly say each one of those difficult times is when I really, literally turn my face, my nose, my heart up to God and just say a quick, simple little prayer, right? Just to let him know that I acknowledge you. Just to let him know that I love you and I trust you, Lord, with whatever circumstance that we are going through. Because you have to remember, each day is a test, okay? And whether the test is hard or easy or medium, I mean, it's really up to, the world, God, in each day, right? So it's saying, turn your nose to something fixed. Look towards something that doesn't change and believe that things will get better. Believe that God is going to take care of everything, and you will also find his peace in the midst of whatever it is that you're going through. I had to realize that, and he confirmed it right away for me that yes, this has happened to you. Yes, you're dealing with this right now, but hold on, my daughter. Hold on, my son. I have something better. I have something planned for you. You just have to hold on a little bit longer and just test your faith a little bit longer, and it will be revealed or taken care of for you. The 11 also says, "The only thing that you can grasp on without damaging your soul is my hand." So think of everything we're trying to grasp onto nowadays, right? Our job, our money, our, whatever it is that our goals and whatever it is that we're longing after, right? That we're idolizing, that we want so much of. God is saying that is damaging to our soul, right? Material things, all of that goes in one, is damaging to the soul. And his hand, grasping his hand, is the only thing that is without damaging. So I just love that analogy as well. Ask my spirit within your day. Ask my spirit within you to order your day, which I try to do this every single morning, because if I'm not ordered, if I'm not guided, then I will be a mess. And I'm just being honest, right? I'm being honest with Jesus. I'm being honest with God. He knows how we feel eternally anyway, right? It's about being honest and being open and trusting him in everything that we do. For the mind controlled by the spirit is life and peace. You can have as much as me in my presence as you want through thousands of correct choices each day. And it says you will never run out of things to worry about, but you can choose to trust me no matter what. So every day is a test. Every day is a choice, really, to choose worry or to choose trust, to wallow and focus on the problem at hand that you have, or to cast your cares onto the one who can actually do something and change something in your life. Do you hear me, family? We will never run out of things to worry about. I'm worried about something right now. I'm worrying if my kids are in virtual paying attention, but I don't worry because I know God is helping me. God is my ever-present help, even with something so little, like we think is little, like getting help for virtual learning, getting encouragement to get up every morning for the 6 months that it's been now, 5-6 months that it's been, to get up every morning to help the kids, to motivate the kids, to encourage them as well. Like, he should be your ever-present help in every situation. So again, family, are we seeking his face? Are we starting our days off seeking him, longing for his word? I'm telling you, family, that is probably the best way to start off your day. Seek his face and you will find his presence and his peace. I just love that. I think I might make an affirmation on that. But so whatever it is that you're going through, whatever it is that you're dealing with or still dealing with, seek his face and everything will be revealed to you. Seek him, seek his presence, seek his love, right? Trust him, believe him, have hope and faith that good things are meant for you, that good things are coming your way. And you will not only find his presence, but his peace, his state of mind, right? You will find and you will see that he has always been there for you. You will find and you will see that he has always been there for you since day one. So just seek him. He's always there for you whenever it is that you need him, which should be all the time. So I love you guys. That's all I have for this tiny testimony. And please look out for more of these videos. I love talking to you guys. Don't forget to comment down below and chat it out with me. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye.